Hi, my name is Abigail, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use documents in Huly. If this is your first time using Huly, check out my Getting Started guide, linked in the corner of this video and in the description below. Now let's get started. Here we're looking at the Documents module of an example workspace of a team working together to build a fitness app called FitTrack. In this example, there are three Teamspaces: Brand and Marketing, FitTrack, the name of the app, and New Features. A Teamspace is just a way of organizing documents, and each Teamspace has its own settings. Teamspaces can be made private, so only members can see them. And you can toggle whether or not people joining the workspace should be automatically added to the Teamspace. Click Create a Document, and select the Teamspace that you'd like this document to be added to. Here we'll add a new document called Weight Tracking Feature. I've added in some text for us to work with in this document. There are several ways to format text in a document using markdown. Highlighting text reveals a toolbar for editing. The keyboard can also be used as well. For example, Command-I on Mac makes italics. Markdown can also be typed directly into the document. For example, typing 3 hashtags creates an H3 level heading. The floating plus button also reveals additional options, like adding a code block. Typing / reveals the same options. People, tasks, and other documents can be tagged using the @ symbol. For example, I can tag each team member. Tagging each team member will create a notification in their inbox, letting them know that they've been tagged in this document. I can also tag issues and other documents for easy access. Action items can also be assigned to team members directly within the document. This is useful for assigning small tasks that don't need to be fully documented as issues in the task tracker. To create an action item, type square brackets and a space to create a checkbox. Then, select the team member to assign the action item to. Assigning an action item from within a document will send a notification to that team member and create an action item in their personal planner. Documents are collaborative, meaning multiple users can edit them at the same time. Here I can see that Terry is also working on this document. By clicking on her icon, I can jump to her cursor on the page. There are a few additional settings available for documents. Locking a document makes the document read-only. Move allows you to choose a different parent document in Teamspace to move the document to. Print to PDF generates a PDF version of your document to download or print. Public link generates a link that can be used to share the document outside of the workspace, also with read-only permissions. Here, you can also copy the document URL to the clipboard, star the document, view any other issues or documents that have linked to this one, view the history of a document, any snapshots that have been taken of that document in time, and expand or collapse the editing area. Here in my inbox, I can see that Terry has changed the document, I've been tagged in the document, and I've been assigned an action item. I can view the document directly in my inbox, or I can navigate back to the document itself. I hope you found this helpful, but of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment here or join us on our Slack community listed in the description below. We can't wait to see you there.